Hey everyone! Today, we're designing a clever text-based logo for one, featuring a hidden one inside the letter N using negative space.
So let me catch you. So let me catch you.